give it a shot. Here I am. My name is Matty and I will take you through the process of how I make things. And before you comment on it, I don't have any good video equipment. This is a trial, let's see if it works for me, and I'm making it with my phone. So today I will be making fabric bracers. Something like the ones I'm wearing, which are actually too big for me. They were intended for like a guy or something. But today I will be making this. This one will need something like this, and this one won't, so I'll make two more. One to match with this one's emptiness, and one to match with this one's patternness. So yeah, it's already cut out, the front and the back, and now I will just sew the edges and put in the rivets. Here we go. Oh, I'm sorry by the way for the mess behind me. This is my artsy craftsy corner, so it's a mess because it has all my crafting stuff. Well, actually not all my crafting stuff, because there is stuff all over the house. But yeah, that's just the way it is, I guess. Kind of accepted this years ago. I just cannot have a tidy house because I have way too much crafty stuff. I just suddenly remembered what the hell it was to pull the needle through, so I'm gonna get my guns, I don't know what they're called in English, to help me pull them through. Wow, it took me forever to find these. I thought they would be with my arts and crafts stuff, but it was in my toolbox instead. Time to put the rivets in. I usually do 5 on each side. I was a bit out of rivets, as you can see on this one, so they are 3 different colors, but well, I think it looks funny and all the colors kind of suit the thing, so you for watching, and since I would like to make you as confused as possible, here's footage of me wearing completely different braces than the ones I just made. Thanks for watching, hope you stick around. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks! Seen this in old movies, they brush their hair while they still have it half up or a thing like this in their hair, and it always struck me as funny. I mean, why not just take it out and brush your hair properly? But now I understand it's for aesthetic purposes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and oh yeah, I wanted to say that actually the reason I wasn't wearing these, which I just made, is because they were way too big. I made them for a guy, because as you can see, I already had a pair for me, and well, it's always good to have more, I guess. Anyways, thanks for watching, bye bye!